spring of 22, I found this 1970s industrial drill press, and you know what they say, they don't build them like they used to. I just couldn't pass it up. It came with a huge box of old drill bits, some of which I didn't even know what they were for. I had to figure out a good way to sort and store them. It was also missing some important parts of the table, and it would be impossible to find them, so I had to build my own. This design uses sacrificial scrap wood, where you just drill into it, and when it wears out, you chuck it and get another piece. As you can imagine, this industrial drill press weighs approximately 45,000 tons. Initially, the only place I had to put it was this old welding table. We recently sold the old garage freezer that came with the house, and it left this perfect little spot. I got the idea to build a rolling cart that would fit this little cubby. I made a trip to Home Depot where this single sheet of plywood cost me approximately the same as a small car. In order to accommodate larger projects, the drill press stand needs to roll out away from the wall. I found these heavy-duty wheels that would do the job. Now, like I said, the price of lumber is completely insane right now, and when your neighbor just tore down his old deck, you can get resourceful. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Being able to do the math is very important. But if you've already got the pieces cut, just use them to make your template.
Later. Several days later.